Good morning, class prep. So today your teacher is back in our EVS class. Do you know what is the meaning of EVS? E stands for Environmental Science class, जहाँ पे हम क्या क्या सीखते हैं, साइंस जो अपने आसपास नेचर है उसके बारे में सीखते हैं, खुद के बारे में सीखते हैं, खुद की बॉडी के बारे में सीखते हैं, बर्ड्स के बारे में, एनिमल्स के बारे में, फ्रूट जो भी हमारे आसपास हमें दिखता है उसके बारे में सीखते हैं. सो आज मैम कुछ भी नया कराने से पहले आपको ओल्ड थोड़ा सा रिवाइज़ कराना चाहती है. आपने ऐसा कुछ पढ़ा था ना, EYES आइज़, NOSE नोज़, EARS ears. We have done matching also. Now we have learned about different tastes also, like lemon. What is the taste of lemon? Sour. Taste of bitter gourd is bitter. Taste of mango is sweet and sour. Taste of red chili is hot. Taste of popcorn is salty. And my favorite, as well as yours favorite, chocolate, that is sweet. So these all are your previous work. We have done spelling of TONGUE, 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 as well as SKIN, 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 skin. So next we will revise our national festivals. So can you see these national festivals? Don't get bored. Don't say mama I don't want to see, I have learned. कोई बच्चा ये नहीं बोलेगा मम्मा मेरे को लर्न हो गया है, मुझे नहीं देखना है. सबको देखना है. मैम ने आपको क्या कहा था, जितना हम देखेंगे प्रैक्टिस करेंगे हमारा जो भी लर्निंग है वो और स्ट्रॉन्ग होगा. सो रिपब्लिक डे वी यूज टू सेलिब्रेट इट ऑन January 26. नेक्स्ट इज इंडिपेंडेंस डे. व्हेन डू वी सेलिब्रेट इंडिपेंडेंस डे? 15 August. Now after 5 days we're gonna celebrate Independence Day. Now next is Gandhi Jayanti. When do we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti? On 2nd October. When do we celebrate Children's Day? We celebrate Chacha Nehru's birthday on 14th November. And when do we celebrate Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan Day? Yes, on 5th of September. And as a Teacher's Day. A quick recapitulation of our Krishnaya. What is our national anthem? Jana Gana Mana. What is our national song? Vande Mataram. The national animal of India is tiger. The national bird of India is peacock. National tree of India is banyan tree. The national flower of India is lotus. National fruit of India is mango. The national river of India is Ganga. Our national flag is called Tiranga. The national sports of India is hockey. The 4 seasons are summer season, winter season, autumn season, spring season, and any 2 medicinal trees, neem and peepal, and you can say bale also. Okay. Now we just do a quick recap of national festivals along with their dates. Now Independence Day we celebrate on 15th August. Republic Day on 26th January. Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. Children's Day on 14th November. And Teachers Day on 5th September. The more you will learn, the more your memory will get sharp. Now the most important again, our national symbols, that is national flower lotus, LOTUS, LOTUS. National flag, that is called Tiranga. National animal, that is tiger, TIGER, TIGER. National fruit, mango, MANGO, mango. National sports is hockey, 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 hockey. And national bird is peacock, peacock. So now students, today we'll do some question answers in our notebook. and these question answers you have to do in classwork. Okay, and you have to learn the spellings also. So my first question is, the question will be written by the help of your mama. आपकी ममा आपके लिए क्वेश्चंस लिखेंगी और आपको आंसर्स लर्न करने हैं. First question is, name the national flower of India. So who will gonna tell me national flower? Lotus. And how you have to learn the spelling? Lotus. 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 My next question, very simple, you already know the answer. Name the national fruit of India. Mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Next question is, name the national animal of India. Tiger. T-I-G-E-R. 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 My last question is, name the national sports of India, that is hockey. H-O-C-K-E-Y. 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 Hockey. Now you have to learn all these spelling in the rhythm which I am telling you right now. The rhythm of lotus will be L-O-T-U-S. L-O-T-U-S. Rhythm of mango to learn, M-A-N-G-O. Mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Tiger. T-I-G-E-R. 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 Rhythm of hockey, H-O-C-K-E-Y. 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 So this is the work. You have to do it in your notebook, and you can draw the pictures also in your notebook. Okay, thank you and have a very great day and learn the spellings. Bye bye.